peeps, and today we're gonna make some more Homestyle chicken again. But today I was the deep fryer and fry chicken them. I want quick and fast and more better, you know? So I'm gonna deep fry put them in the pot, fry them quick and fast, you know? And that's what I do it, man. Get the ground cheese ready up for the pot. Everything ready up, everything cut up quick and fast. Turn on chicken there, turn in turn them on the stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, turn on the flour the stuff and chicken and dumpling I make, you know. Homestyle chicken and boiled dumpling and potato you make. Chicken in the body inside. Flour don't need, you know what time it is, time for go in the pot. I'm gonna start boiling and start float up. If you do this I need the flour them and well you eat it, wanna make them now put on the pot. That I go on. You know, that I coat. See that? I eat that this so. Think make on 13 dumpling. See it ready, tips and boring and that. I don't know what I'm gonna say about. I was frying the seeds but apparently I didn't catch all of it, but see there, this right there. Homestyle chicken, you see me? Yeah man, chicken in there. And I started one new style. Now I'm gonna put the chicken in the pot and add the water, but that one yeah. I did fry the seasoning up first, you know? Cause some people I see on TikTok, I was trying this one and I think it was okay, more better. Let's add in the pot, you know? They say I put in the potato and the carrot, everything in it. No, yeah, that's what I did. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I don't know what you guys doing now. Go ahead and do it now. Watch the entire video if you want to learn how to make Homestyle chicken, guys. This video is everything step by step. I'm gonna boil over so quick and fast, which is right. Once I start float them done, you know. This a cook down now. You see me? Yeah, man. Time to start some people don't know see everything I go and taste it and everything. You know? Yeah man. Homestyle chicken and boiled dumpling. On a good recipe, me enjoy it. Now I'm gonna tell no lie. You see me? Yeah man. Look all purpose jerk seeds everything in one. Seeds again I done seeds but if I get some more. I'll make some more season. Today. I'll go up on the road. Put some salt in it and seed it up again. I don't know what people put salt in our chicken because salt bring up flavor, bring up the season in the pot. You see me? Yeah man, so I do my salt in my pot, man. Yeah, my voice kinda gone a little bit, but you know, see if I do the work same way. See if I go to give them content, because I know no one content out there now. Homestyle chicken. Yeah man. You see me? See what I go on there? Yeah man. When you call it fritter chicken, I don't know what it pronounce it, but fritter chicken. Call it Homestyle or fry I cook down. Catch up in a pot and outside done the food done. Yeah man, done the food done, time to start share. Look at that. You see that? You see that? Look at it. Okay. Everything cook already. Done. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Like, share and subscribe, okay? Homestyle chicken, you know? Dumpling and potato. Before you do that, you add hot sauce to it. Grind away. First thing, we'll go in the chicken from now. Wait, in a prayer. Hot like steam. Chicken breast nice and so much calm in the dumpling, eh? Ten, well, 10. Alright, look, soft. Potato. So guys, there you have it. Homestyle chicken with dumpling, banana, dumpling and potato. Like, share, subscribe, okay? I'm out.